This is my daily
Active.
activity.
This is
This is my kindergarten
level.
level. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
How
How many cubes are there? 2.
Super.
How many cubes are there?
1, 2.
1, 2. 2 cubes.
Wonderful.
How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 cubes.
4 cubes. There are 4 cubes.
How many
How many
cubes are
cubes are there? 3. 3 cubes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. How many cubes are there? 1.
only 1?
1 cubes. 1, 1. How many cubes are there? 4. 4 cubes. How many cubes are there? 3. 3 cubes. How many cubes are there? 2 cubes. How many cubes are there? 5. 5 cubes. How many cubes are there? 1. 1 cubes. How many cubes are there? 4. 4 cubes. How many cubes are there? 5. 5 cubes. How many cubes are there? 3. 3 cubes. Hooray!
One.
Come on, let's go to the next level.
How many dots?
How many dots are there? 3, 4. How many cubes? How many dots are there? 3.
How many dots?
How many
Dots.
dots are there?
Oh my god. Sorry. Focus.
Sorry. Sorry.
How many dots are there?
How many dots are there? Yes. How many dots are there?
No.
No.
0.
0
How
dot.
many?
How many dots are there? 2. Let's go to the video. I excelled.
Hello, math friend. Let's count from 0 to 5 together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Great! Now let's try counting dots. Here are some dots. How many dots are there? We'll say one
2.
number for each dot we count.
2.
1.
1,
2.
2.
There are 2 dots.
There are
Nice.
2 dots.
Let's count some more. How many dots are there? Make sure to count each dot one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
There are 5 dots.
There are
Nice.
5 dots.
Let's try one more. How many dots are there? There aren't any dots. That means there are 0 dots.
0.
0 is the number we say when there are none. You did it! Ready to try counting dots on your own? You've got this.
Hey,
How many dots are there?
how many dots are there? 5. 5 dots. One dot. 4 dots. 17. 3 dots. 2 dots. Umi, tahu nggak, Mi? Kalau kita pakai
Come on, how many dots are there?
3. 3.
Good job. How many?
How many dots are What's that's no coming.
It's 0.
It's 0. There are
How many dots are there?
1 dot.
Now let's go.
Okay, 1 dot. 1. How many dots are there? 2
Please.
dots.
Mute. How many dots are
How many dots are
there?
there? There are 3 and 2
Equals.
equals 5. 5 dots. Five.
How many dots are there?
How many dots are 4. 4 dots. Why do you think this? 3. Okay. What number is this? This is 0. Come on. This is not me. It is me. Ooh. Come on, let's try with star. Oh, this is potato. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
What is this dot?
It is duck.
Halo, iya kok, pagi.
And it is salad.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
NR berapa aja?
this is milk. Milk
Langsung aja.
for cow.
Iya. Iya kok. Oke, thank you kok.
1 flower. 2 milk. 3 house. 4 car. 5
Horse. Horse.
5 holes. 6 beer. 7 potato. 8 ducks.
Okay. Now let's practice. Nanti ya.
Come on, let's try. How many
Shapes
sheeps are there
on the frame.
on the frame?
Dalam kotak. On the frame.
What? Come on, let's try video. What is frame? IXL.
Hello, Math Star. Today we'll practice counting up to 5. Let's load these train cars and count as we go. Ready? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
We filled up the train and we counted to 5. Here's another tool that can help us count. It's called a 5 frame because there are 5 empty boxes. Let's fill up
Okay.
each box with a star as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
There.
5.
The 5 frame is full and there are 5 stars. Let's count more shapes in a 5 frame. How many triangles are in this frame? Remember, a 5 frame has 5 spaces, but this frame is not full. How many triangles are there? Let's
2.
count and find out.
1,
1, 2. There are 2 triangles in the frame.
There are.
Nice work.
Okay.
How many dots are in this frame? Remember,
4.
the frame has 5 spaces,
4.
but this frame is not
4.
full. Let's count the dots. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4.
4.
There are 4 dots in this frame. Way to go. Great work counting up to 5 on a 5 frame. It's time to go have some fun counting on your own.
Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. One, 2, 3
Shapes
shapes
on the frame.
on the frame.
How many dots are on the frame?
How many dots
Are
are
on
on the frame?
one dots on the frame.
1 dot on the frame.
Nah, disimpan. How many stars
How many stars
are
are
on the frame?
on the frame? 4
Four stars
stars
on the frame.
You know. 4.
How many dots
How many dots
are
are the frame?
on the frame?
many
shapes
shapes
are
are there?
on the frame?
Are on the frame?
Shapes on the frame.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh, this is a chicken. How many sheeps are on the frame? 3.
How many?
How many sheep are there? How many chicken are there? One chicken wing. How many dots on
Are
are
on the frame.
on the frame? 4 dots.
On the frame.
What is this? Oh. This is me. Me. 1. How many dots
Dots
are
on the frame.
on the frame? Come on.
Come on. 4 are on the frame. On the frame.
It's 8. 5. 5 dots. Make a triangle all there. 2. 2 triangle. Two is another one.
Let's go.
1.
1 dots on the frame.
1 dot on the frame.
Oops.
Oops.
Come on. How many squares
How many squares
are there?
are there?
Are on the frame.
Are
Aduh. Sorry.
Sorry.
Ya udah.
Green.
How many?
How many?
Adek.
Oops. Sorry. Okay. How many square? Oops. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Please.
Okay. This is 5 dots. 5 dots is a 5. 1, 2, 5. How many
Gitu, Nak. Nggak usah dibikin.
shapes are on the
Frame.
frame?
Frame.
Frame. Now,
Come on. Bisa.
okay. Go to level.
How many cars are there?
How many cars are there? How many planes are there? 4. How many flowers are there?
Come on.
2.
2 flowers.
2 flowers. How many
Steps. stuffed animal
Stuffed animals
are there?
are there. 4 and 2 equals 5. How many dinosaurs are there?
Come on. How many?
How many dinosaurs are there? How many ducks are there? One. One ducks.
The
Chicken are there? 2 and 2 equals 4. 4 giraffe. How many? What's this? How many? How many snails? Oh yeah. How many snails are there? 2. 2. How many
starfish
starfish are there? 5. 5. Dikit lah. Dikit lagi. Yes. Okay. Let's go.
DH. DH.
D
H.
H
Yeah. How many squares are there?
Where are there?
Are you tired? Okay.
Okay.
See you.